Alright, so here today we're going to be taking care of this horrible, my bushings here are worn. So much wobble. I was just out on the trails and I had the Honda studs in and they still shredded on me because of all that play. So, let's fix it. Alright, what we're going to be replacing them with. Got these off of Amazon. Probably cheap, but better than ones that are in there, and you'll see. And then just some Honda sprocket studs again. That'll come later. I'm just going to dig into this and show you how worn out these things really are. Even though I'm getting new bolts, I'm still going to crack these just to get them all. Shouldn't be that tight on there anyway. Alright. Might even just reuse them. Who knows? Anyways, after you get all that, get your thing all. I'll catch up. Snap ring. Get this off. Where's my screwdriver? I'll take these off. Oh, look at that. One already sheared off. That's why I'm doing it. Ay, ay, ay. That's gonna be fun getting out. We're gonna try. You just see how bad these are. Look at that. Just come right out. There was like no rubber left. Oh, don't mind that. I got a boo boo. Alright, I'm gonna continue digging all this stuff out, and I'll get back to you when I start using the tool.
Everybody was talking about David and how they knew him, and giving my wife Marie and I, their condolences, and hugging us.
Alright, and here was my first attempt at using the bearing puller tool. I learned very quickly that you have to clean out all the remnants of the rubber that are on the sides of the bearing casing, or it's just not going to come up. Your tool's just going to slip out with that extra rubber. So what I had to do was Dremel out all the sides of the bearing cases before I could get a good grip on them to pull them out. It was definitely a little extra with the job. Nope.
You're absolutely sure.
And after I used the Dremel to clean out all the remaining rubber, I was able to get a good grip on the cases themselves and finally get to pulling them out. This job was a little harder than I expected. I thought it was going to be a breeze, but I busted a little sweat doing it. Ooh.
To me, that is suspicious. Okay, take my phone.
One out. All right. I got two of them out so far with that tool. It is not easy. There's still two more. I got those two.
Was there some kind of accident?
Catch up with you when I put the bearings in.
Because he wanted her sister. That's what she would tell me. My sister should have house money. After her dad, she really had a hard time communicating with her kids.
And I didn't record myself putting the bearings in. It's not that hard. Put a little grease on, bang it in with a socket. If you see me take off the sprocket studs, you should be able to put them back on. It's the same process as taking them off. You're just doing the reverse. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace, peace.